Hi, are you lonely, female, and just a little bit desperate?
Yes.
Do you want someone strong and virile who can literally sweep you off your feet?
Yes.
Are you tired of sensitive, new age men?
Any age is good for me. I don't care if they're 1,000 years old.
Well, you're about to find him at Suzanne Paul's Southern Man Dating Agency, right here in Christchurch. Very nice. Forget the wimps and the wannabes. We've got real men, and they're waiting for you. But wait, there's more. Call now on 0800 Desperate, and you could get to meet your very own Dan Carter or Richie McCaw. So call now.
Don't pack our bags. We're going to Christchurch. I'm going to find me a Southern man. Hi, it's Tyler here. I'm years old.
46. She's 46.
I'm about 184 centimeters tall. What's that kilogram?
That's tons, Auntie.
But just get over there. I'm sick and tired of you interrupting. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what's a fine model like me doing looking for a date? Or even being on this type of website?
She is great.
It's not a scam. Guess what? Congratulations, I'm single. I'm a strong woman. I'm an independent lady. And I don't need a man who's insecure, you know, always clinging to his woman. Because I need my own space, you know, so I can hang out with my girlfriend.
Hi, Auntie, can I have a chip?
Oh, get out! Go over there. Eat the chip that's on your shoulder. Please call me. Any time of the day, any time of the night, you can text me, come by my house. You'll be saving a life tonight, please. I always eat when I'm upset. Good onion. So what do you think?
Well, it's different, yeah. But I think as long as you've got $500 payable in cash today, I think we'll have you married off in no time.
Oh, that's fantastic.
There's just one teensy-eensy little issue.
What issue?
Yeah. Well, I think maybe you might need to go on a diet.
But I'm a natural blonde. Why would I want to diet?
No, dear. I think you need to lose weight.
Lose weight? Am I paying you $500 so you can insult me?
Actually, you haven't paid me yet.
Auntie, we can just go.
No. What a pity, you know, for you to go, because your personal trainer was going to be a real hunk. Yeah, and he's an all-black.
So what time do we hit the gym? Talofa and good day, mate. We are here in Christchurch, the third biggest city in New Zealand, and it is well known for its Canterbury Plains.
Solly, it's not planes as in aeroplane, it's planes as in flat land.
Oh, yes. It is well known for its flat land, for the Canterbury Plains to land on.
Oi, 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 oi!
This is the John Grier.
No, thanks. I just put one out.
We are here at one of Christchurch's very iconic places. It's got the Panting Pochi. As you can see, they're getting the water skis ready for the public.
Sam, it's a canoe.
Well, can you fit in that? I can. Oh, there's a lot of bullshit. Working out looks so exhausting, eh?
Exhausting. Why don't you do a workout?
I am. I'm trying to work out why you're doing this to yourself.
Hi, I'm Isaac Ross. You must be Teller.
And you must be the man of my dreams.
No, I'm your personal trainer.
Well, why don't we just cut the training and let's get personal?
How about you just drop and give me 20, eh?
Well, if I give you 20, will you give me lunch? You give me lunch.
So let's start off with some stretches, eh?
Okay.
What are you doing?
My hamstring. I'm stretching my hamstring.
Oh, you mean hamstring, like hamstring.
Oh, that's a hamstring? Oh, ooh, hey, this sounds delicious. What's this one? What muscle is it?
Well, that's the calf muscle.
Well, if that's a calf muscle, I must have a cow muscle. You know. Sorry, wrong animal. Meow.
See, the idea here is to work on the pecs and maybe hold it for a little bit of extra resistance and burn.
Resistance? There won't be any resistance from me. Trust me. Ooh, look at you, Isaac. You're so strong. George Bush was looking in the wrong place for weapons of mass destruction. They're right here in my hands.
I play sports in the summer.
Well, I play sport in the summer too.
No.
I play cricket in summer.
No, I played cricket before you.
Oh, yeah, but I still play cricket. I'm a fast bowler in my team.
Are you a fast bowler?
Yeah, I show you my fast bowl.
Are you a fast bowler?
Yeah, yeah.
Then why am I still waiting?
I'll show you how fast.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. How's that?
Whoa,
Yeah.
stink. Nah, I'm better bowler.
Are you a fast bowler?
Do I look like a fast bowler?
Do you know how to bowl a googly?
Well, I don't have a computer.
Well, how do you spin the ball? Show me how you hold the ball and I'll know how to hit it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Keep your eyes on the ball. Yeah! All right! Woo! Who's there? See that? I got him out right here. BBW, man. BMW, sorry.